Hi, if you're someone who wants to understand your body on a deeper level, upgrade your digestion, and learn how to use food and the senses as daily medicine, then let me introduce you to our Ayurvedic Nutrition and Sensory Alchemy event. I'm Kimmana Nichols, one of the founders of ThaiVedic Medicine, and the highlight of this course is that it goes far beyond basic nutrition. You won't just learn what to eat, you'll learn why certain foods and sensory experiences bring balance or imbalance according to timeless Ayurvedic wisdom. This is a chance to finally understand your unique constitution and how every choice you make, taste, smell, sight, sound, and touch, can either support your vitality or drain it. Throughout the training, you'll explore Ayurvedic language of doshas, elements, tastes, and sensory inputs. These perspectives give you a practical framework for making personalized lifestyle and nutritious decisions. You'll discover how to analyze food qualities, cooking methods, seasonal influences, and even emotional patterns, so you can choose what truly nourishes your body rather than following a one-size-fits-all diet. You'll learn how each of the 6 tastes influence digestion and mental and emotional states, and how to use them to create therapeutic meals. We'll explore traditional Ayurvedic formulas designed to awaken digestion, improving energy, and helping the body metabolize what it takes in. You'll practice using simple Ayurvedic assessments to identify imbalances and choose foods that restore harmony. But food is only one part of the healing equation, and Ayurveda teaches that the senses are gateways to consciousness, shaping how we feel from moment to moment. You'll explore sensory therapies that calm the mind, strengthen intuition, and return you to a state of inner clarity. By the end of this training, you won't just understand Ayurvedic nutrition, you'll embody it. You'll know how to eat and live in ways that improve your energy, deepen your connection to self, and support true holistic well-being. So if you're ready to transform your relationship with food, awaken your senses, and learn a timeless system for lifelong vitality, join us at our Ayurvedic Nutrition and Sensory Alchemy event. Experience yourself how simple, joyful, and deeply healing life becomes when we align our diet and senses with the wisdom of Ayurveda.